We can use Google Form for a promotion also. How can we use that one? Before moving to a promotion, for example, I would like to add one more question after this feedback. I would like to add one more question asking what to be improved in my product. I will give the design, the photo I will attach, and I will ask what to be improved. If you like to add such questions, what to be done? First, we have to add the question. Okay. In question, when you are start writing a question, on here at the end of the question, that box, you can able to see that image. Okay. Here, image color box. That icon you have to select to insert a image. For example, you can browse from your laptop or desktop where you are creating. You can load directly from there, or if you are saved in a Google Drive, you can go to Google Drive, which folder you have been saved, you can select from that. I will select here this particular image, insert. It will take time to load. Okay, here it has been loaded, image has been loaded. You can position the image right, or you can remove also, or you can add a caption to that, or you can change the image. I will say center alignment. Okay, then I will ask the question related what to be improved in design. What to be improved in design. So automatically it will take a paragraph kind of answer, so that whom you have been shared this particular question, he will write answer in a paragraph. By looking at the image, by looking at your design, he will give a comment. Okay, these kind of questions also you can ask. We can promote also through your Google form. How can we promote it? For example, I will add here one more section. I will say promotion. Okay, section name is a promotion. Then I will add here text. On right hand side, I will not going to add now questions. What I will do, I will add a title and description. Here you can write your product title. Okay, product name. You can write a product name, and you can give a brief description about which product you are going to promote. Okay, description. Description on a product. Here you are writing in detail at the price of 335, like that. You are writing in detail about what would be your description about that particular product. Then if you like to show the image of the product, then what you can do, you can add here add image. Okay, then again you can go to a drive, or you can go with the search. If you are already loaded in anywhere in if it is available in a anywhere in a net, you can search it there, or you can upload from your computer also. Okay, you can upload it from a computer also. Then you will be inserting that particular picture. Okay, here, and you can give a title to your image, title to your image, or you can delete here or copy the same image again. Okay, this is about how can we insert the product image. And if you like to add one demo also, if you like to add a demo video you have been uploaded in a YouTube, if you like to add that link, what we can do here, add video is there. We are not adding a question, you can observe, we are adding a video. Then you can search that particular video. If you have a link, you can paste link directly here, or you can search. If you know the title of the video, then we'll select that particular video, which one you like to add as a demo. Okay, you can say here title demo on product. Okay, then here image title also you can give product name or product name with version, you can write it here. Okay, so that when your respondent will go through this, okay, he will come to know that what which product you are promoting, what is that product, how it is looking, and demo about that particular product also. For example, another section you have been added here after the this particular thing, you have been added a by mistake one section you have been added. If you like to delete that section, what we have to do, we have to go to these three dots here on that section, three dots, click on that and say delete section. If you like to duplicate that section, duplicate. If you like to move this section on a top, you can say move section, or merge with the above, in the sense the whatever the questions you have been added in this question need to be merged with the section 3, then you can say merge with the above. Otherwise you can move or delete or duplicate. So by mistake if you are added or any additional section to be reduced, then we are using that particular technique. This is about how can we promote our product, as well as how to insert a image question in a Google Forms.